is my current laundry room setup. I have, this is laundry detergent, and this is actually vinegar. I use that as fabric softener. That's like a craft sewing kit. Vacuum setup. And then this is the catch-all and the cups for the vinegar and the laundry detergent. And the problem is it's very difficult for me to reach these now. So I don't know whether I'm shrinking or I don't know what the deal is. But we're going to change this out. This is kind of the whole picture of it. And we'll be back. Alright guys, I'm just trying to put these jars with the spigots together. The little clamps, the picture wasn't clear as to where they went. It would appear that they go on the feet of the base, but they don't. They actually hold the little tray on that holds the cups. So I've fiddled with that for a while, but right now we're getting the spigots in, and I didn't use the little orange wrench, just by me hand tightening. I think it got pretty tight. I'm just transferring the product from one container to the new set of containers at this point. And here I'm cleaning up my mess because my vinegar spilled all over. Well, thank goodness it's a cleaning agent, right? A whole mess. Alright, I'm just putting my little name tags on. I sped up the video, clearly, so you guys don't get bored. And then I decided to work smarter rather than harder, so I'm just going to let the product drain into the next jar because it was pretty full and it would have been really heavy. And here, I figured out that the little feet thing are to attach that tray to the base. So, you know, sometimes it takes a moment. Anyway, we'll carry on. Alright, I decided to work smarter and not harder on this one and let it self-fill. It's taken it about 10 minutes, but I think we're at a good enough point to stop. And what I will do is just leave this canister up here. I'll start using this instead of my powder that I prefer, just to get it down so I can get rid of this because it's going to bother my OCD. I'm going to tell you that right now. So we're going to get this wrapped up and cleaned up. Get our little sign on. Oh, it's still leaking. See, that's what I had the cups for. And it just always turned into a big mess. Great idea, not a great setup. But I've had problems finding one that would fit under this shelf. This is what came with this house. I would have an entirely different setup, but you got to work with what you're given sometimes. And be grateful, right? So, and I had put this on the wrong side. It was backwards, so I had to fix that. I did it off camera because I might have let out a few curse words, which you didn't need or want to hear. Okay, so I think we're good here. Let me get this little area cleaned up. These little guys sit right here. Get my ladder back out because I'm telling you, I just can't reach back here anymore. Just gonna set that there. These little rubber mats go underneath to catch whatever. Excuse me. It's a pretty cute little setup. It's kind of, you call it rustic charm, if you will, which I 100% am not into. However, it all works. Wash machines are black or charcoal. It all kind of ties in. So I can reach this fine. Put my little supplies up. Alright guys, what we're going to do now, I got everything pretty much tidied up. This is my little sock file crap I need to do something with pile, and it's going to stay right there. This is like my whitening. Keeps clothes white and bright, and with the OxyClean stain booster and all that. So all you have to do is mix equal parts of baking soda, borax, and OxyClean. And rather than using a harsh chemical like bleach, which sometimes I do, like on my towels and stuff, I do use bleach, but on my clothes, I don't necessarily want bleach on my skin. Just because I have autoimmune issues, and it's just like I develop rashes and stuff from the weirdest stuff. So I try not to put too many harsh chemicals on my skin. So we're going to do 2 scoops of this borax, maybe 3 because I'm almost out. I'll just need to order some more. Let's do 3 because we have the room. And it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. So yeah, we'll order more borax. So we have 3 scoops of borax. So we're going to do 3 scoops of oxy. And this stuff is pretty inexpensive. And so I've been using this one little mason jar for probably at least 4 or 5 months. So that's 3 scoops of the borax. And you still say I have at least a half a container left. So that will make me 2, maybe 3 more containers of this. And then the baking soda. Unclog it here. I'll do 3. It's okay if it's in clumps. This I'm going to get mixed up. I use this to clean my sinks and garbage disposal. You name it. I could use it to clean with it. Okay. Sorry guys. on my head here. We're just going to take our little scoop. These are amazing. You can get these from Lobby of Hobbies. I'm just going to mix all of this up together, kind of get your baking soda chunks out. I actually just like to put the lid on and just give it a good shake. Just like that. And if I'd have had more borax, I could have made more of this, as you see. But I didn't. Now the only thing that bothers me up here is, I just cleaned all this too. All of my little mason jars have this little silver lid, and I couldn't find any more when I started making this. I have this clear one. And y'all know I have OCD. Not where I have to turn lights off 5 times, but I don't do crooked stuff, and I don't like mix match stuff. So I'm gonna try to put these where I can reach everything without them shaking off when the dryer goes. So I'm gonna just set that there for now. This is my Buff City soap, and everything in me wants to fill it up, but I can't because they're different fragrances. This is jasmine, which smells absolutely amazing. Then I have magnolia and cotton. So we're gonna use all of this, and it doesn't take a lot. It takes like maybe 2 teaspoons, 1 tablespoon. Your clothes smell amazing. And then I do these. I know they're a little toxic, but at least I'm not doing Tide Pods and that and Downy. So I'm trying to eliminate where I can, but I do like my clothes to smell good. And then I use orange oil to put on my wool dryer balls. From time to time I'll put that on there. So I'm just going to tuck that in right up here so it doesn't go flying all over God's creation. And that's it for now. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys what we've done here. Okay, so there I have my tub cleaning attachments. I have some, looks like books. Oh, and my robo sliders that I slide my furniture around, just junk that I don't have anywhere else for. I hide it in a basket. I've got more smell good crystals. Extra Buff City soap. I'm telling y'all, go to buffcity.com and try it. You won't be disappointed. We're going to get rid of this because we're going to start using that instead of my little powder over here so that I can get rid of this. And then I'll have more storage for decor, right? Right. All right, and then that's what the little setup looks like. I can easily access it, reach it without straining, putting my back out. We're gonna get rid of that pile real soon, I promise. But it's hidden behind the door. And there we are. That's what my little meager laundry room looks like. I would like a whole entire different setup, but it is what it is. Thanks for watching, guys.